IoT independent software vendors constantly face the challenge of deploying solutions that are scalable, secure, and reliable. But Intel can help with the global IoT ISV enabling program. What can it do for your company? I'm Stephanie Essen. Find out on this IDZ Weekly. The Global IoT ISV program helps you integrate your commercial applications on Intel IoT reference architecture. The program provides an ecosystem of Intel IoT alliance partners who build scalable end-to-end solutions. So, if your company deploys application software on a network edge gateway with existing customers, and you've validated your solution to these target industries, this program can be super helpful to getting your company running more smoothly. To find out if your company is eligible and to apply, check out the links provided. Thanks for watching IDZ Weekly. See you next Monday.